I think almost 2K. This is a nice bag, guys. Came from abroad, overseas as well. Just a little damage on the plastic. I don't know why. I think I made this one when I open the plastic. I did that. Alright, so that's the plastic. So this is the back of the camera bag, guys. There are bags, I did my research also to really buy a good bag. So there are some bags that's around 500, 600, which for me the reviews are not that good because of the quality of the bag. So this one it's a good quality. As you can see, guys, sorry. As you can see, guys, the buttons, the zippers are big. Okay. So I'm just showing you guys the back of the bag. So there's a cushion here. There's a compartment because of there's a compartment here at the back. Okay. So there's a compartment. So this is like a hollow at the back. There's a hollow at the back for airflow. Okay, as you can see, without it sideways. Yeah. And we turn on the light. There's a hollow here. So if you place this at your back, the air will flow here. So that's nice. And then moving on the side, guys, there's a opening here for your headset or for chargers. So when you place your chargers here, like for example, I place my Rapu. This is a big backup battery or power bank, 40,000 mAh. So if I place it here inside, let me check. Okay, this can fit. Okay, so you can see, guys, it really fits. Okay. So what I will do now is I will get a cord, something like I can charge. Alright. So I'll place it. Okay, so I'll place it inside. That one. Okay. Then I'll just roll it. Place it here. This is what I like when I check, when I buy up my things, guys. I'll make sure that it's kind of nice, and so you don't have to take your There's a very small opening, guys. It's almost. It's kind of hard to insert this one. I think I need to make the larger, the hole larger. I just wish that there's okay. So that's the opening, guys. So okay, let me try one more time. Something is blocking it. No. because the end of the charger, guys, is kind of big, so just be patient. But once it's out there, it's out there. So where's the cell phone? Let me borrow some cell phone. Okay, so if you want to extend the length, guys, you have to fold. Okay, fold it again. Okay, so this is how you do it. So what I will do, I'll just leave this one for future use. Okay, so place it on the battery. You pull it. Oh. Okay. Wait now. Okay. So now I can close this one and charge my phone. There we go. So it's charging now. It's charging red. There. So you can place another gadget for the batteries at the bottom. So if you want to put another, like another phone here, guys, you can still do it because there's a lot of room here. It's like from here to here. Alright, and so that you can also listen to your music, okay, while charging another phone if you have two phones. And this one, guys, you can use this for water. Okay, you can place your water here. Okay, alright, so let's move on to the other side. Sorry guys if this review is kinda long. So this is the other side of the bag. Let me just close this one first. Because they have the seller not close this one. Maybe because if you close it, you cannot fold it anymore in the plastic. So that's why. Wait. Give me a few minutes here, guys. Then I'll be back. Okay. So we are done with the. If you're facing the bag at the front side, so we are done with the right side. Okay. So this is how you install the battery, the power bank here, and your extended. Oh. So you need to somehow make some stopper here, guys. So the secret here, so that the charging port or the wire is not removed, so you can just measure from here to here, some here, just create like a stopper, something like that. Okay, so that if you pull it, it will not be removed from your battery or power bank. Okay, that's how you do it, guys. And now, so we're done with the right side. Let's go to the left side. On this left side, guys, actually this one is dedicated for the tripod, this one. So I don't know if the tripod of the Nikon, the free tripod that comes with my Nikon D3500, which the seller gave me, provided. I don't know if this is how it looks like. I don't know if I don't know yet the size of the tripod, but let's say, just for example, that this is the tripod. So what you can do here on this side is place it like that, and here and here. So this is like the holder of your tripod. There you go, guys. And then what you can tighten this part here. There. So if you want your tripod, you can actually remove this one if you want to, if you don't want this to, but it's okay for me. That's it. Okay, so this one, guys, this bottom right here, as you can see, let me just move my camera. Okay, so at the bottom here, there's a snap here, like a button that you can place here. You can secure there. You can secure this side here as well. I don't know if what is really the purpose of this one. I think this is just for fashion, or I think this one is to secure this side. Right now we are done with this side. By the way, guys, there's also a small pack. There's also another entrance here at the back. So this is the entrance here at the main. We will go inside this main body or main storage, but on the side, guys, on the left side, you can still add your laptop here. This one. So any size of laptop will do. I think this one is made for like 17 inches. So you can place it here. Let me get my laptop here a little bit so that you will see how it looks like. Place the laptop. I think this one is 15.6 laptop. Asus. So it can still fit, I believe, 17 inches, guys. This is the left side. Alright, so let's go inside the main cabin. I think this is the main storage. Alright, so this is it. This is the added protection, guys, that I will show you the purpose of this proper. So this one, guys, if you don't have a camera with you, let's say your camera is on repair and you just wanted to use this bag as a storage for your things like your clothes and other things, you can place it here and you can just close. Okay, but if you do have a camera, because the main purpose of this bag, guys, is the camera storage for your camera. So as you can see, guys, they added these little pads or cushion for the camera. I'm not really quite sure how to use this, but I hope this is how you do it. Okay, there you go. It's like, let's check. I think this is how you do it. I'll check the picture. It's that's how you do it. Okay, so the other side. One. And I think this one at the bottom. To secure the pads, make like compartments. Can you see the video, guys, that I'm shooting here? There. So I am doing the tutorial to myself. So how one, guys, there's a patch here that we can connect on the side. Same with the other side. There are different sizes. There are different sizes, guys. Yeah? Well, good shot. One, you can also put it here. Okay. Something like that. Alright. Okay, so we're done with that part. There's more. I think this one is here because this is where the this is where the camera, the long range camera rests, guys. This one. Alright. So there's like 1, 2, 3. There's more. There's 3. There's 3 more. So we can put it here. We'll put another one here. So it's kind of stable now. The last one here. Okay. This is if you want more compartments, guys. Okay. I think I can do a better job than this. It's not that level, no. I don't know. I think I can put some batteries here. My main camera here. My lens here at the bottom. But I think the best way to put your lens, the long range lens here, would be this, in this area here. There in the middle, the telephoto lens. And then another lens here, camera here, I think the gimbal here, and then the battery grip here, microphones like this one, so that's for safekeeping. The speed light somewhere right here, and this one, guys, is to secure the middle one. There you go. There. Okay, so this is to secure this part, the middle one. And then there's more compartment here, guys, if you want to put your documents somewhere here, so documents here. Then there's another secret compartment here for, I don't know, wallets. There, IDs, I think. Yeah, you place your IDs here, your memory cards here, this one right here for easy access. So this is the main, not main cabin, but the main storage here. So you can now close this one. Right. Okay, the good thing about this one, guys, is that, as you can see, it's secured now, kinda. So for impact, if you drop your bag, you will not get your camera damaged, guys. Your camera is safe because of this caution. Guys. I've, based on my experience, the stock bag or the bag that comes usually with cameras don't have any caution, something like this. So it would be wise to have this kind of caution, guys, for your gadgets. And the good thing about this, as I crank it up, it's very durable, guys, and you can secure it with a small lock here. Yeah, it's a good one. That's a good idea. There's a lock. And there are available colors, guys. There's gray, and then there's black, red and orange and black. So the outside color is gray and black, guys, but inside you can have different colors. You can have red, orange, gray. So in my end, I just put this one, gray. I selected gray. I selected black, so it's gray inside. And now, so we're done with the main, we're done with the side pockets. And also earlier we showed you this secret compartment here. I'm not sure what is the best gadget that you can place it on that part. Okay, so we're done with the compartments, guys. Now this is the bonus. This one, guys, is rainproof. Okay, it's very nice if you have this one, guys, to protect your bag from water. So this is how you do it. Let's say, for example, that you're traveling, you are not inside the car yet, so you can just fold this one and place it inside the bag. Since you are traveling outside and you are not charging, so that's it. Then you can place a cover here. You can place the cover. There we go. There. And so I think you can still extend more. There we go, guys. So So if you will be protecting your bag guys from rain, so you can remove the tripod here, and there you go. So you're protected, so this will not get wet guys. Okay, guys, so if you like it, just let me know if you want to purchase that one. It's a highly recommended guys, 5-star for me because of the design, the looks. It looks like it's much bigger than my ROG. I think this is my ROG bar. There. So this is my ROG bag. So I think this is a lot bigger than the capacity than my ROG. So I will normally use the Cortex na laptop here. My 15.6 laptop here. So there is no charger capability here. There's no protection. This is the original bag of my ROG 6G. This one I like. Same color, black. It's like a matte finish here. And it's glowing. So this one is good. Durable. Looks like the same zipper here. Check. Okay. So this one has a bigger zipper. Okay, what I like also guys is this one. It's protective here. It's like an added cushion. It's hard. So this is good. Goodbye guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you like it. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe.